Dinner time. Welcome back, family and friends. If you're new here, I'm Rachel. This is All Glory Farms. That's Andy. You saw our coonies. We love our pigs, and this video is going to be all about the pigs. Cooney are doing great. Beryl has adapted very well, and he may have already done his job. Him and Charlotte were a little cozy, so we'll see. This video is not an easy one to share. I'm going to warn you, it's going to get really loud, and you might hear some choice words, and we apologize for that in advance, but this is our first time doing this on our own, castration. We do it so that our these feeder pigs won't get out and breed with one of the cooney girls if they're in heat, but also to avoid boar taint. And out of all of the piglets that we castrated, one had boar taint. He stunk really bad. We like to do it really young because they are strong. Even at their age, they're really strong, but they are all doing great. They've all healed, no infection, still eating. We're about ready to move them because they have just torn this up, done a great job. But yeah, they all are doing great. Not every part of farm life is fun or easy. Some of it is a lot of hard work and some of it's heartbreaking. We castrated them. They're healthy. We did a good job. Took us a little longer than we had hoped. But like I said, this is the first time of us doing it on our own. We've been shown once, and it was the first time on our own. So yeah, here's that video. You're gonna come around here. You're gonna lay him back legs towards me. Okay. Shit. Gosh. You're really not gonna be happy. Okay, I need you to relax his legs just a little bit. No, he's not gonna be happy. Okay, so when you do this, you're going to feel two nuts, right? Two balls. You're going to cut right above one, and it's going to be a smaller hole in there. You're going to push down so the ball comes out, and when the scrotum comes out, you take it, you yank. Okay?
Okay, see how I have hold of him? Yep. You've got to hold him like this, shoulder up against his head so he can't move.
Good boy.
What's that for?
He's like, ooh,
That's
that feels
iodine.
good.
It's to help
Okay.
any infection, any bacteria keeps it.
Okay, he is going to move.
Yep.
Yes, I know.
Gosh, you're strong
Keep
already.
doing that. I know. Nope, you didn't. I didn't. Yes, I know, bud. I'm trying to
to hold him. There it is. There you go. Just yank, yank. Oh, shit. That's one.
Yes, I know, bud. I know. I'm so sorry.
Ooh.
Yes, I know. I'm trying to see if I can get it through the same hole. I don't think I can. Yes, I know.
There it is. Oh, geez.
Oh! Alright, hold on. Alright, let it down. Woo!
Oh.
Alright, anybody can hear anything yet?
What?
He pooped.
Oh.
He left us a party present.
It was so loud, Joan ran
He's
away.
like, I don't even know what happened.
They're not going to be able to hold them.
Yeah.
I could barely hold him.
Okay.
Holy crap.
So that'll heal up.
When I said
naturally,
close
right?
the gate,
Yes.
I meant close the gate. Go get the gate closed.
I got it.
Instead of looking at me, that means get into action, okay? No, we'll just change the whole thing out. It's fine. So, you want this?
No. I threatened to send them to my buddy in Arizona.
Nice job.
Okay, we're just gonna change this bad boy out since he pooped on it.
Oh, he just got shocked.
Oh.
He backed into it.
He's like, oh, everything hurts behind me. I'm so sorry, buddy. I know you hate me. I get it. I would hate you too.
Pull it out.
Those are balls. They're the testicles.
And that's all we're supposed to get, right?
Yep, that's it. I don't know what this one was, but we got it too. Hopefully that's not something that he needed.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, I need my hearing to reset for a second. My goodness, it makes me want to go get the shooting headsets. Yeah. All right, 1 down, 4 to go. Get some gloves on.
Wow.
I don't want to hear it. But
That took a lot of strength to
I
hold
know.
him. Cause woo, they're strong.
AJ, reach in and grab one by the back of the legs.
Yeah.
Yank him out. There you go. 2 legs. Pull them right up.
The legs. Just
Stand-
grab him by the legs and yank him out.
Stand up. There you go.
Okay.
Okay,
Now, hold on. I'm gonna grab him by the front. Okay.
You need to hurry it up there, bud. Yes, I know. Ooh, yours are nice and big too. Something I never thought I'd say to a pig.
Complimenting other people's nuts might as well be cheating.
Video, dude. You are on video. Goodness.
Crap. You think at first one was tough.
Oh, he's big boy.
Come
He's
here.
a big guy.
Okay.
Get the damn gloves on.
This is TC. Thick cut.
Ooh.
Where's your thumb?
I don't know. This poor pig's like, I don't know what's going on, but this guy
Pig's
is.
laughing at
He is.
He's judging
Okay,
massively.
Are you done?
Get it on.
Doctor would have already been ready by now.
All right. Okay.
I'm not a doctor.
You're right-handed anyway, so it doesn't matter. Get over here. Come here. Put your hand up through. Feel his balls. Boop, boop. No, not boop boop. 2 fingers.
You feel
And
him?
you palpitate them. You feel them both, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where are you gonna make the cut?
Mm-hmm.
You'd actually make it a little bit further back. This is the part I do not like.
You don't like cutting?
No.
Why?
You gonna do 2 on him, or you gonna try doing it more in the center and do 1?
Nope. We're just gonna do 1.
Careful with that.
I know. Yes, I know. I know. I'm sorry, but
Okay, let him pull.
Okay, what you're gonna do, see the hole? See the little hole? You're gonna push the testicle. Grab. Ah! Sorry. Not the big hole is not big enough. It's got a little bit bigger testicles. Yes, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Now you're good.
Hey. Yeah, no. Push it out. You ready? Grab it and pull. Nope.
Throw it back in.
Push out.
Grab it and pull.
Grab.
Yank. Grab
Grab.
and pull. You have to grab, boy. Come on.
Go. Pull. Yes. There. When you get up to that, really quick. Because the more you're pulling, the more you're putting him in pain.
Oh, yeah.
Bubba. Oh yeah, that was a big.
Okay, you do this one.
You had a big nut in there.
Ooh.
There it is.
It's in there. You can get it over there.
I'd love to. Dang. What are these scalpels?
There we go.
Hey, get your hand in here. Yay! Grab it. Oh. There you go. Ready? Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Go. Yeah, sorry, bud.
Oh, poor
yeah,
guy.
I know.
Oh, poor guy.
I know, bud.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh. Where's the other one?
I don't know.
behind
I was
the
just
kennel.
looking for him.
He's hiding. He's like, I'm done with these people. Hi. Hi, my buzz.
You all right?
Yeah, I just had to take a break for a second. I don't have a lot of strength in my right arm.
Oh, okay. Well, one of the boys can hold.
You guys can grab a back leg each. You get gloves on. You are going, next time you put your two fingers and your thumb in there, you grab, pull that thumb in and just yank.
You've
The
got to
quicker you
grab.
do it, the less pain they go through.
But you got to grab with some strength, okay? You all right? You want to throw up?
No, I just don't like doing that.
Well, no one likes
Nobody
throwing.
likes doing it.
It's
I
not
mean-
fun.
I mean, that one guy on YouTube.
Well, listen,
Yeah.
there's some very interesting people on YouTube, including us.
YouTube video of the lady we got him from, and or the Cooney-Coonies, and she came over and castrated him for us. And we had somebody that was like, "Can you show more of that?"
Oh, no, that was I showed a little bit of the bulls. I didn't show any of the pigs, but the title was castration. It was one of the words in there, and some weirdo was like, "Can you show more castration?" I went and looked at his profile, and I was like, "Oh, you are blocked." It was on our Facebook page. You grab a pig.
You okay? You want to
I'm good.
You
take a
good?
break?
No, I'm good.
You good?
I didn't even do anything.
You're yanking a ball.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Grab back leg. Grab it.
Two back legs. Stand up. Oh, it's a little one.
You grab bacon seed. Okay, hold on a second.
Nope.
It's not an extreme yet.
Okay.
They're strong. He's doing a sit up.
Bring him over here. Up, over here. Okay.
I'm gonna get. Yeah.
Okay. You grab a leg.
Another one of these. See if maybe that one was just a one-off.
No.
Stronger?
You're gonna have to grab and hold.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Too much.
It's like
But
blood.
I'm not gonna like this.
no, you are not. Okay, so I need him this way just a little bit. You got to be careful not to break his hip. You're just holding legs up. You're not gonna pull them aside. Okay.
You just hold it.
Matter of fact, push him down just a little bit. There you go.
Probably little.
These are very little. Nope. Put that down, please. These are
snot's getting to me.
Make sure you hold those
Gosh
legs tight.
dang. Like
Don't-
these are going to be hard to pull out.
Great.
Okay, can you relax down, please? He's okay while you're palpitating, but he's not going to be okay in a second. He's not. His eyes are open.
Wide open.
He's like, I know this is a trick. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, I know. But the more you struggle, the longer it's going to take me to cut through. Because these frickin' scalpels suck. I'm not through. I'm not through. These scalpels are awful. There we go. Just like that. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I know. Sorry, bud, but we'll do the next one.
I don't
He's too small.
Fine.
His,
You push that one over.
I don't know.
Ooh, maybe.
No, because it goes down. Sorry. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was fixing to sneeze. This don't bother me.
Okay. That me sticking my finger in his groin.
There it is.
Yeah, but it's not coming through yet. We'll just do one.
I know, but it's easier to do too. Unless you did it more centralized.
You can't cut.
I know. Can't cut right there.
All right.
Yeah, just cut
We're
it.
gonna do. Yes, I know. Gosh, damn. Sorry, bud. I know. Trying really hard not to frickin' maim your butt. Yeah, I know. I'm not all the way through. This is awful. This one's bad. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get it. I know. No.
Sorry, I had to switch sides.
No, you're fine. I just gotta get this deep enough to where I can get into it. I just feel bad because I feel like I'm just,
Mutilating them?
yes, I can't get it out.
You might give it a try.
There it is.
It's not.
Oh.
It's that there's a membrane in between
Yeah.
the two. I know, bud. I'm sorry. Yeah,
Just
you
cut
can
that
try.
one. There's that membrane in between there.
Better see if you can push it up through that other hole. There it is. I don't think the hole's big enough. Yeah. There you go. Right, Joe, if you can push up, you can grab. I got my finger in my hair. It won't come out this hole. I know, bud.
It's there
Every time he
too.
kicks. I know, bud. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's right there. skin right there. Gosh dang, watch
Get
out.
that skin.
It's not the skin. The hole's not big enough. I need to
Watch your finger.
I know. I know, bud. I am so sorry. I know. I'm trying so hard. It's right frickin' there. Oh, that's why.
That's what I was saying. There it is. There we go.
There it is. We weren't deep enough. I know, bud.
Is it just a membrane blocking
Yeah.
it?
He's done. Hold on.
Yep.
Sorry, bud. All right, let him go. Poor guy. Oh, so sorry, bud. Sorry, bacon seed.
It's not the cutting and blood upstairs that I don't like. Because like doing red wasn't bad. I just don't like it.
Yeah, nobody likes it, bud. Nobody likes it.
The squilling's the worst part.
And if you like it, you got problems.
Yeah, that one guy.
So he didn't poop. That's good. Man, I'm
See, the other ones?
really disappointed
You're back
in
to
these
eating.
couples.
It's not quick.
What do we have? 2 more left.
2 more.
He's backing up. He's like, get away from me.
Going back into that fence.
Oh, I hope not. That's insult to me.
Oh! Oh, yeah. He tried to bite me.
Did he?
Yes. Well, he did bite me, but
It's not very hard.
Consequences for each dog's ball.
Huh?
That's the consequences for each ball. Cold.
Leg. All right, AJ. Okay, relax him. His butt has to be down. So move his legs out just a little bit.
I feel like I'm trying to arm wrestle him.
Iodine?
Yeah, just a minute. I don't
he's
like.
strong.
I know, but I don't like being back here because there's a membrane right here. I need to be up here more because I think it'll be easier to get it out.
Keep that mouth away.
He stinks.
Yes, he does.
he's got big ones.
Okay, ready? You're gonna have to hold because my fingers are right there. I didn't even do shit. My goodness.
He knows.
He knew. He's like, don't go
Touch
me.
him. Don't touch him.
Yep.
Good job.
Oh,
Pee
he
on
does
yourself.
stink. Sorry, bud. But I need to get beat down in there further.
There they are.
I know. Every time he does that little they pop up. There we go. AJ, can you hold a leg? AJ,
Yep.
pull.
Grab it.
Grab and pull. Remember how I said about 3 fingers? Pull up. Pull. Like a lawnmower.
Come on, that's it!
That poor guy.
There you go.
All right, bud. I'm so sorry. I know. We're halfway there. Yes, we are halfway there. Yes, I know. I know.
There you go.
AJ? Like a lawnmower. Yank.
You can't just
Because
sit
when
there
you're
and
just
slowly.
pulling slowly, that's pulling.
That's-
like, let me grab your balls and pull slowly.
That's
If somebody's
torture.
gonna pull your nuts off, you want them to do it as fast as possible, okay? This is your guys' first time, so it's a learning experience.
Oof.
All right. Who's holding the head on this one? Which one of you? You
No.
wanna hold the head?
No.
I don't want to cut it.
Babe, I'm having a hard time holding the head.
You want me to take him?
No.
Okay.
I'm just saying I don't think they're gonna be able to.
Well, how would we know if we don't let them try?
All
If
right.
somebody has the feet, it doesn't matter. You gonna grab him?
Yep.
Be careful because he might try to bite. Oh yeah, he's
Oh. Okay,
Aged
you're gonna have to
animal.
go get in there and grab his leg. Grab his back leg.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, give me his back legs. Okay, grab his front. Keep his mouth away from you. Put him on your shoulder.
There you go. Good. 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 Yeah. This is the calm before the storm, dude.
You're gonna have to lift his head up a little bit.
And I need you to relax his legs a little bit.
I'm
Hey.
going back this way a little.
I can grab this leg, Dad.
Okay.
His are like that first one.
His are like not even existent. Can you lift him up just a little bit?
Good.
Just like that. Alright, where'd the scalp go? There's that one. Where's the other one?
It's up there somewhere.
Oh, let's hope so.
Oh, they're all.
Yeah, I found it. I see it. I see it right here.
That's okay. Okay, can you move his leg in just a little bit? I don't want to get them here.
I'm just.
Okay, his balls are clear down here. That's why.
Can I just go back to the head and have one? Because they were doing better at this.
There we go. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
You good, Andrew?
Yep. I think it'll come out. Oh gosh. He is.
These are deep in there.
Yeah, he is.
Sounds like
Okay,
it
let
hasn't
go.
dropped yet.
Let go.
Me?
Yeah.
They're really low.
They're really way far back there. Like his are back in here. Yes.
Push a little more up.
Oh,
They keep
just-
dropping.
Hold on. Okay, Og, down.
Right there.
What the hell? They disappeared.
Freaking unique.
Well, I could see, like, where's this one?
Yeah, it's got some of that membrane attached.
There we go.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry, bud. Yeah, you're really not gonna like me here in about 10 seconds. Got it. So. Oh, I'm sorry. I tried to do one tug. There we go. There's one. You are not going to be a one-shot Charlie, are you? Now, which side is your other nut on? Because he is weird. Let go. There it is. Got it. I don't know if I can take it out the same hole. Oh, God, he is bleeding.
I know. There it is.
hold on. Yeah, he's a bleeder. He is a definite bleeder. All right, down. He's done. All 5 done. There we go.
There we go.
Wait a minute. I don't know if anybody can see. Move over just a little bit. No, the other way. Move that way. They're all over there like
Don't
it's us
come
versus
near me.
them.
Traumatized.
Poor guys.
Stay away.
Yep, with all their squealing and fighting and struggling and everything else, all of the hiccups, everything. Great learning experience. We all learned. We really appreciate our friend Chris coming up to help. And speaking of Chris, Chris took Chester back to Texas with him. Chester, we had a lot of issues with Chester getting out of the pasture. And at first it wasn't a big deal because he wasn't leaving the property. Like, no big deal, okay? But then he started leaving the property. And we have a lot of neighbors that have got livestock that they're going to be protective of. And after about the 3rd time of him getting off the property, we had to make the hard phone call. But look at this video. Look at this. Yeah, Chester was very, very happy to see Chris. We really appreciate Chris's help with castrating the piglets, and we're really glad that Chester is back home where he belongs. He's just Chris and Monica's dog. I mean, as much as we loved him and we really enjoyed him, it was dangerous for him to be here. We didn't want him to get shot again, and we just want to keep him safe. So yeah, and they're all happy and healthy, so they can grow and we don't have to worry about boar taint. Thank you so much for tuning in and sharing in our journey. We hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.